Hi students, you are most welcome. Today's a new topic related to business studies subject is for class 11th units part A फाउंडेशन ऑफ बिजनेस। इसमें हम लोग देखेंगे कि फर्स्ट पार्ट नेचर एंड पर्पज ऑफ बिजनेस, सेकेंड फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, थर्ड पब्लिक प्राइवेट एंड ग्लोबल इंटरप्राइजेज, फोर्थ बिजनेस सर्विसेज, फिफ्थ इमर्जिंग मोड्स ऑफ बिजनेस एंड सिक्स सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड बिजनेस एथिक्स। ये पार्ट ए के अंतर्गत है। पार्ट बी फाइनेंस एंड ट्रेड, चैप्टर नंबर 7 सोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस फाइनेंस, स्मॉल बिजनेस, नेक्स्ट इंटरनल ट्रेड एंड लास्ट इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस। पार्ट ए फाउंडेशन ऑफ बिजनेस में यूनिट फर्स्ट नेचर एंड पर्पज ऑफ बिजनेस, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ बिजनेस, बिजनेस प्रोफेशन एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट, मीनिंग एंड दियर डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर्स, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ बिजनेस, इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल रोल ऑफ प्रॉफिट इन बिजनेस, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज, इंडस्ट्री एंड कॉमर्स, इंडस्ट्री टाइप्स, प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टेरिटरी, meaning and subtypes, commerce, trade types, internal, external, wholesale and retail, and auxiliary to trade, banking, insurance, transportations, warehousing, communications, and advertising, business risk, meaning, nature, and causes. In unit second, form of business organization, sole proprietorship, meaning, features, merits and limitations, partnership, features, types, merit and limitations of partnership and partners, registration of a partnership firm, partnership deed, type of partners, Hindu undivided family business, features, cooperative societies, features, types, merit and limitations, company, private and public company, features, merit and limitations, formations of a company, 4-stage important document MOA, AOA, relevance of certificate of incorporation and certificate of commencement, starting a business factors. In unit third, public, private and global enterprises, private sector and public sector enterprises, form of business sector enterprises, features, merits and limitations of departmental undertakings, statutory corporations and government companies, changing role of public sector enterprises, global enterprises, joint ventures, public private partnership, features. Next, in unit 4, business service, banking, type of bank accounts, saving, current, recurring, fixed deposit and multiple option deposit is account, banking service with particular reference to issue of bank drafts, bankers check, pay order, RTGS, real time gross settlement, NEFT, national electronic fund transfer, a bank overdraft, cash credit and e-banking, insurance concept of life, health, fire and marine insurance, postal and telecom service, mail, UPC, registered post, parcel, speed post and courier and other services. In unit 5, emerging mode of business, e-business, scope and benefits, resources required for successful e-business implementation, online transactions, payment mechanism, security and safety of business transactions, outsourcing concept, need and scope of BPO, means business process outsourcing, and KPO, knowledge process outsourcing, smart cards and ATMs, meaning and utility. In unit 6, social responsibility of business and business ethics, concept of social responsibilities, case of social responsibility, responsibility towards owners, investors, consumers, employees, government and community, environment protection and business. In part B, finance and trade, unit 7, source of business finance, concept of business finance, owners fund, equity shares, preference shares, GDR, ADR, IDR and retained earnings, borrowed funds, debentures and bonds, loan from financial institutions, loans from a commercial bank, public deposits, trade credit, ICD, intercorporate deposits. And Unit 8, small business, small scale enterprises as defined by MSMED Act 2006. Micro, small and medium enterprises development act, role of small business in India with special reference to rural areas, government schemes and agencies for small scale industries, National Small Industries Corporation and DIC, District Industrial Center with special reference to rural, backward and hilly area. And Unit 9, internal trade, service rendered by a wholesaler and a retailer, types of retail trade, internet and small scale fixed shop, large scale retailers, departmental stores, chain stores, mail order business, concept of automatic vending machine, chambers of commerce and industries, basic functions, main documents used in internal trade, pro forma invoice, debit note, credit note, LR, lorry receipt and RR, railway receipt, terms of trade, COD, cash on delivery, FOB, free on board, CIF, cost, insurance and freight, E&OE, errors and omission accepted. And last in Unit 10, international trade, meaning difference between internal trade and external trade, meaning and characteristics of international trade, problem of international trade, advantages and disadvantages of international trade, export trade, meaning, objective and procedure of export trade, import trade, meaning, objective and procedure, meaning and functions of import trade, purpose of and procedure, document involved in international trade, documents involved in export trade, indent, letter of credit, shipping order, shipping bills, mate receipts, bill of lading, certificate of origin, consular invoice, documentary bill of exchange, DA or DP, specimen importance, World Trade Organization WTO, meaning and objectives. अगर हम इसको, ये हमारे टोटल 10 यूनिट्स हुए, इसको अगर हम चैप्टर्स के बिहाफ पे देखें तो पार्ट ए फाउंडेशन ऑफ बिजनेस में आपको नेचर एंड पर्पज ऑफ बिजनेस, फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, प्राइवेट, पब्लिक एंड ग्लोबल इंटरप्राइजेज, बिजनेस सर्विस, इमर्जिंग मोड्स ऑफ बिजनेस एंड सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस एंड बिजनेस एथिक्स। मीन्स पार्ट ए में 6 चैप्टर आपको स्टडी करने हैं एंड इन पार्ट बी में फाइनेंस एंड ट्रेड में आप सोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस फाइनेंस, स्मॉल बिजनेस एंड इंटरप्राइजेज, इंटरनल ट्रेड एंड इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, ये हमारे कंटेंट्स हैं चैप्टर के अकॉर्डिंग। लेकिन हमारे जो ये सिलेबस है वो सिलेबस आपके टोटल 10 यूनिट्स में डिवाइड है और इसी के में जो भी आपके ये टॉपिक्स दिए गए हैं इसी पे हमको स्टडी करना है। ओके, थैंक यू।